We're here to hear from the students of Junior Secondary School Jabi 1. The first speaker, please.
Just imagine if we don't have tarred roads in Nigeria. Life will be very difficult for us. Our engine machines can never function without fossil fuel, like our grinding machines, vehicle engines, generators, and lots more. They all rely on fossil fuel for functioning. Just take a look at this. This is a product of fossil fuel called engine oil. Many industries, factories, and companies in Nigeria, they cannot do without this product because this is a good lubricating agent for their engines and their machines, preventing rusts. Having said that, good day Mr. Chairman, panel of the judges, my honorable timekeepers, co-debaters, ladies and gentlemen. I am Onafebo Chinaza and I stand here before you today to strongly support the motion which says fossil oil is a blessing, not a curse. Fossil oil are naturally occurring liquids, also known as petroleum, composed of the mixtures of hydrocarbons. Fossil oil are blessings, providing a readily and available energy source that has fueled economic development and improved living standards for many. Significance of fossil oil: powering vehicles, generate electricity and heat. Fossil oil support industrial development. What are the contributions of fossil oil to our modern society? Economic benefits. Fossil oil has greatly supported our economy, created jobs for many, and stimulated industries. How about transportation? Fossil oil has enabled the rapid movement of goods and people daily in Nigeria. Energy production. Fossil oil is the major source of energy. Can I shock you? The discovery of fossil oil in Olebiri, Niger Delta region, 1956, opened a new chapter of the economic landscape in Nigeria. Fossil oil are also called fossil fuel. Why? Because they are mixtures of hydrocarbons in the marine environment before dinosaurs existed. Fossil oil are also known as petroleum, fuel, kerosene, engine oil, and lots more. They are the things making Nigeria grow larger daily. Nigeria has essentially benefited from this oil, though it has its drawbacks, but its benefit to the economic, transportation, energy security, and quality of good life makes it a blessing. Without no iota of doubt or a bid to disabuse your mind from the dilemma of all forms of controversy, help me reinforce the proposition that fossil oil is indeed a blessing and not a curse. Thank you. Still standing on the existing protocols, my name is Shoribo Veronica Dobe, a student from JSS Jabi 1, and I'm here today to strongly support the motion which says fossil oil is a blessing, not a curse. What if I told you Nigeria's greatest blessing lies deep beneath our soil? Before oil, we were struggling, but since its discovery, fossil oil has powered our economy, attracted global investors, and funded major national projects. For over a century, fossil oil has been the lifeblood of our modern civilization. It has powered our cars, generated electricity, and enabled global trade. Without fossil oil, our global economy will come to a grinding halt. It has created millions of jobs, stimulated economic growth, and improved our standard of living. Fossil oil has also enabled advanced technologies such as plastics, fertilizers, pharmaceuticals, and petroleum jelly. What then is fossil oil? Fossil oil are a mixture of hydrocarbons, including materials that are buried in the earth's crust for a period of millions of years. Fossil oil are a blessing because, firstly, industry and development. Fossil oil are used as inputs in various industries, including manufacturing, agriculture, and construction. In addition to the above mentioned, diversification and transition. While fossil oil remains crucial for Nigeria's economy, there is a growing need to diversify the energy, FDC, and explosive renewable energy sources. More so, energy for basic needs. Fossil oil power electricity generation, which is essential for lighting, heating, cooking, and powering appliances. Fossil oil are dead remnants buried for millions of years to form raw materials and are crucial to the environment because they provide environment for basic needs, which leads to inefficiency and is overall very important. So with these points of mine, I hope I'll be able to convince you beyond reasonable doubt that fossil oil can never be a cause, but rather a huge blessing to Nigeria, Africa, and the world at large. Thank you.
Permit me to stand on the existing protocols. My name is Precious Michael Kashan, and I stand here before you today to strongly support the motion which says fossil oil is a blessing and not a curse. Fossil oil are like crude oil, natural gas, and coal. They are the backbones of Nigeria's economy and a major force in shaping the life of Nigerians. Furthermore, employment and job opportunities. Fossil oil industries has created thousands of jobs for Nigerians, for drilling engineers to fuel station attendants, to pipeline workers and export managers. Millions of families put food on their table because of this sector. Without fossil oil, unemployment will rise sharply, making life harder for many citizens. Moreover, fossil oil drive industrial growth. Fossil oil supply energies that powers industries, companies, and factories across Nigeria, from textile industry to cement factories and other small businesses like bakeries and hair salons. They all rely on fuel for machine powers and transport. As strong as energy supply means strong industrial growth. Most importantly, fossil oil attract foreign investment. Nigerian oil and gas reserve attract investors from around the world, bringing in capital and modern technologies and business relations. This improves international relationships, strengthens the economy, and creates even more opportunities for Nigerian business to grow. In addition, fossil oil improves transportation and daily life. Fossil oil powers cars, buses, ships, and planes that transport goods and daily bearing. They also fuel generators, which are essential in a country like Nigeria, where electricity supply is often unstable. Without them, daily life would be harder for both urban and rural communities. Fossil oil are important to Nigeria because they are the major source of income in Nigeria. Nigeria is an oil-rich country endowed with both conventional and renewable energy sources. Electricity generation in Nigeria is dominated by oil and gas. For the past 3 decades, crude oil has been the major source of revenue, energy, and foreign exchange for the Nigerian economy. As former President Goodluck Jonathan once said, oil and gas are the lifeblood of Nigeria's economy. Fossil oil are not just causes people claim as, they are the reason Nigeria stands tall in the world stage. They are the strong pillars holding our society today. They create jobs, grow industries, attract global investment, power daily life, fund national development. To remove all downplay their importance will be to cut off the engine that drives our country forward. I hope I'm able to convince you extensively that fossil oil is a blessing and not a curse. Thank you.
Still standing on the existing protocols, I remain Onafevo Chinaza, and I stand here to recap on the topic which says fossil oil is a blessing, not a curse. Fossil oil has lots of advantages, starting from energy density, economic benefits, established infrastructure, reliability, technological advancements. Despite the fact that the world is transiting to a cleaner renewable energy sources, to mitigate the disadvantages of fossil oil and address climate change. That does not in any way make fossil oil a curse, but rather a huge blessing to Nigeria. Thank you.
Good day, Mr. Chairman, panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, my fellow debaters, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Akil Temichiza, and here with me are
Adem Diajigun.
Ikechukwu Hepzibah.
we are here from Premier Academy to oppose the motion that says fossil fuels are a blessing to Nigeria. Firstly, what are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are a carbon-based compound formed from the buried remains of prehistoric living things. Due to its easy availability, they're widely used to cover many of our daily needs, such as electricity generation, transportation, heating and cooling, amongst many others. Below the surface level benefits of fossil fuels lies a deeper, harsher truth. This so-called blessing has a reality of job loss, environmental destruction, widespread corruption, and social unrest. Firstly, let's talk about environmental destruction, widespread unemployment, and job loss. Fossil fuels have provided jobs for thousands of Nigerians, both directly, but it provides jobs for those in the extraction, mining, and processing industries, and indirectly in the many industries that rely on fossil fuels, such as construction, where it is used in the creation of iron, steel, and cement, and transportation, where it is used in powering vehicles such as cars, trucks, trains, airplanes, and ships. It has also led to the development of other sectors, such as trade, where it is used as a source of revenue for many countries, and petrochemicals, where it is used as a raw material in the creation of other goods. On the other hand, the benefits of oil extraction in Nigeria have largely accrued to a small elite, leaving majority of Nigerians in poverty with a lack of basic amenities and environmental degradation. Millions of Nigerians every year lose their jobs due to environmental destruction, oil pollution, erosion, and a lack of basic resources that modern day agriculture heavily relies on, such as land, water, soil, and nutrients. It's already proving itself detrimental to our environment. Resulting from these effects, employment is significantly suffered. It disrupts industries that rely on clean environments, such as fishing and tourism, and creates health risks for workers involved in cleanup efforts. The overall effect of oil pollution in Nigeria is economic downturns, leading to disruption of industries and the destruction of natural resources. Rather than celebrating fossil fuels as a blessing, we should be working on creating more reliable, accountable energy resources that benefit all Nigerians rather than just a privileged few.
In addition to what my co-debater has talked about, we also have to talk about its environmental and health hazards. First of all, the main source of energy in Nigeria, power homes, factories, and transportation. They are chosen over other energy sources because they are high energy, abundant, and cheap, providing a reliable and consistent power supply. However, the extraction, combustion, and transportation of fossil fuels pose a significant threat to the human health and environment of communities where oil exploration is carried out. For example, air pollution from fossil fuels is responsible for millions of premature deaths worldwide, as they can cause respiratory problems, skin diseases, and even cancer. This is because greenhouse gases from the combustion of fossil fuels significantly contribute to the ozone layer depletion, which exposes us to more ultraviolet rays, which can cause cancer. Also, water pollution from oil spills contaminates our water and land, posing a significant threat to the human health, aquatic life, and crop yield, which ultimately leads to environmental degradation. The effects of fossil fuels often go unnoticed because they are long term. However, we need to do something about it before it becomes too bad. The energy from fossil fuels lightens up our homes but darkens our lungs. Let's also take a look at national pride versus regional injustice and conflicts. Nigeria is one of the world's top oil producing countries, Africa's major oil exporter, and a significant member of the OPEC, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Its rank in global oil production is the 16th largest in the world. Therefore, the Nigerian government sees fossil fuel abundance as a source of pride and a path to economic development. However, All rich communities frequently bear the brunt of their extraction activities. Let's take a look at the Niger Delta region, for example. The oil-rich region has been plagued by environmental degradation, pollution, and human rights abuse. The Ogoni people, for example, have suffered greatly. Their children grow up breathing toxic air, and in some of their communities, clean drinking water is a luxury. The Ogoni people have been fighting for justice and compensation for decades, but their voices are often ignored, all in the name of national pride and economic interests. A resource that causes war and suffering cannot be a blessing.
In addition to what my co-debaters have said, another reason why fossil fuel is not a blessing to Nigeria is because of economic dependency and fragility. Fossil fuels, especially crude oil, generate a significant portion of Nigeria's revenue, over 90% of foreign exchange earnings, and nearly half of the national budget. This income helps fund government projects and national development. Fossil fuels may seem a blessing, but our economic dependency on them is a ticking time bomb. This overdependency has made Nigeria's economy fragile and vulnerable to global oil price fluctuations. When prices drop, the entire economy suffers, resulting in inflation, job losses, and debt. Take the oil price shocks of the 1970s, for example. The sudden spike in prices led to economic crisis in many countries, demonstrating the vulnerability of fossil fuel-dependent economies. Other sectors like agriculture and manufacturing, which could provide a stable and inclusive growth, are neglected. The economic benefits from oil extraction have largely benefited corporations and governments, while local communities bear the brunt of the cost. The wealth from oil has not translated into a sustainable economic development because, according to the World Health Organization, air pollution from fossil fuel causes millions of premature deaths worldwide each year, resulting in significant economic losses. Instead of building a strong economy, we built a weak one that crashes the oil prices. It is also a source of corruption and mismanagement. Fossil fuel revenue gives the government money to build infrastructure like roads, schools, and hospitals. In theory, this wealth should lead to development, but in practice, all wealth has fueled corruption. Billions of dollars have been embezzled and mismanaged by public officials. Instead of being used for development, the money ends up in private pockets, thereby resulting in millions of Nigerians living in poverty despite the country's oil riches. Thank you.
In conclusion, fossil fuels were once seen as the golden key to Nigeria's future, powering homes, providing government funds, and creating Nigeria's position on the global oil economy, but instead has become a chain holding us back. It has given us a false sense of wealth, all destroying our environment, economy, and values. It has caused corruption instead of development, conflicts instead of peace, and poverty instead of prosperity. A true blessing improves the lives of the people, but fossil fuels have done the opposite. Therefore, we firmly believe that fossil fuels are not a blessing, they are a curse. Thank you.